This delicious looking swallow was actually made for our healthy eaters. It's made with sweet potato flour. Come, let me show you how the magic is done. Are you new on our channel? Have you hit the subscribe buttons yet? The subscribe button is just by the left hand side. Just click on it and anytime our videos come up, you'll be notified. So sweet potato can actually be converted into powder, and yes, we have in store for shipment. So to make our sweet potato flour swallow, all we have to do is let the water boil on fire, then we add our sweet potato powder. We'll allow it to cool for some time. Then I think it doesn't even take much time. It doesn't take up to 5 minutes. Once it's well cooked, you turn it until you get a smooth paste. And our swallow is ready. You can pair it with any soup of your choice. Sweet potato flour, it's gluten free. It replaces wheat flour. It's very high in vitamin A, fiber, proteins, and resistant starch. Hope you're going to try this. See you in our next video. Bye.